Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you are new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time 4-hour time slices. I like to, with this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where some of these overall levels much easier to see. And nothing really to update. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and not a whole lot to update from overall levels, but I want to kind of look more so at a much shorter term viewpoint of things, and essentially what's happened over basically the past 12 hours, give or take a little bit. And that has been, the price has indeed bounced. However, at the time of this recording, and I say that because these crypto markets are open 24/7. So even after I get done with the video, this chart will continue to change. So if you're watching this, several hours from now, the thing that I'm wondering about is this is not the greatest candle to be seen form right now. So if you do pull this, video up and it's, like I said, 6, 7, heck, let's just call it 12 hours from now, it would not be shocking at all to see the price down here, somewhere around here within the range of the chart. I'm not saying the price is headed down to, the green line down here at 8,800. But like I said, and this is not really, any sort of rocket science on my part. Anybody that uses charts and understands charts is going to realize that that's not the best candle to see forming. So it would not be shocking to see, because usually this candle does suggest that, the price is going to roll back over. Now, a rollover is not the same as a crash. So that's why I'm saying it's not like it's headed down to 8,800 necessarily. But yeah, my point is, when you pull up the video, depending on when you do, it would not be shocking at all to see the price down, like I said, around this area of the chart. Now, if you pull up the chart and the price is actually up, let's just say around here, then just understand that, it's definitely the exception and not the rule, because it's fought through this bearish candle right here. And that's one of those, that'd be a pretty big sign of strength on the bull's part. If, you come back and watch this and, the price is actually up around, the 9,400 mark, give or take a little bit. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, not the greatest candle here. In the event, though, it does, like I said, roll back over. 8,800 is that key level of support. In the event this move is actually still pretty strong and the bulls flex their muscles and start to push back upwards, that next key near-term level of resistance up there at 9,500. So yeah, let's see how the next 24 hours all unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.